Somebody shout ha.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the God of Prophecy. In this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to prophesy accurately and call names like Prophet, Passion, Java. Let's go.
Shout ha ha ha. Mind blowing in the prophetic here.
One,
I don't know why I'm hearing something like Stephen. Oh, Stephen.
The easiest place to prophesy is in the church because there are many people there. So what he just did here is he had a random name, totally random name that must be related to somebody there. So he just called the name. I hear the name Steven. That's all.
Stephen.
two,
I don't know why I'm seeing a letter F on your forehead.
So what happened was I looked at that man and he saw F on the person's forehead. Now, even Prophet Pasanja was like, I don't know why I'm saying this. He doesn't know if it's the name of the person or if it's the name of someone related to the person. So when you are calling name, you just call the name that you see. That's all.
I see a F
That's my
I
last name.
N N K
Yes,
something.
that's my last name.
It's
So how can you see such kind of vision? He basically focused on his third eye. Okay. He saw the name in between him and the man. The name appeared in the middle. You know, that space between you and the person you are prophesying to. Yeah, that's it.
your
Fink.
last name.
Fink.
Fink.
three,
So to do this kind of thing, you really need to focus your mind that you want to call names. And when you are calling names, work with the person. Don't just say your name is Daniel. The person's name might not be Daniel. Uh-huh.
In my vision, it's like you're becoming small. What's your last name? Small.
So he chose this lady that I prophesied to. Calling names is you can't just pick any kind of person. Unless if you are Hubert Angel. You can't just pick any kind of person. You have to be moved to the person.
four,
But I was seeing letter K on your forehead.
Yes, Kelly.
Another thing to note is that when you are prophesying name, when you look at the person and you say, what's the name of this person? Call the first letter. You might not see the full letters, just call the first letter.
My name is Kelly.
five,
Because some of you watching this video right now, you want to go to anybody and say, your name is Daniel, your name is Femi, your name is Rachel. Even when the greatest prophet are saying, I see K, I see M, I see T.
I don't know why I was hearing someone calling you Sue.
My middle name is Sue.
In this place, he entered into a vision and he has already gone to their family house. So he saw one of the family members calling the name Sue in the vision. But yeah, he already gone to the family members. He's getting details about all of them already.
six,
Your name is not Sue, your name is Deborah in the realms of the spirit.
seven,
I don't know why I saw letter Gari. I saw something like Gary.
That's my mom.
He said, I don't know why I'm saying. So he doesn't even know. What happened is I entered into the family member's house. He looked at a woman there and he saw the name Gary. He saw the name Gary, but was not sure if it's a mother because you don't want to go on stage and be wrong when you're prophesying. Aha. So you have to be very careful. So you say, I don't know why, I don't know why. He probably might know that that's the mom, but he's not really sure. So he just said, I don't know why I'm seeing this name, Gary. Still in the family house. That is how to prophesy it.
eight,
So I'm going to end this video here. If you want to join my prophetic school and you really want to know how to call names, numbers, and prophesy very well, click the link below and let me teach you. So in short, prophesying names is not just random stuff that you just do to anybody. You can't just look at someone and know their name. It doesn't really work like that. You can get the name of their brother or get the name of their family members. And sometimes you just have to confirm. Sometimes you don't even know what you are saying. You don't know what you are saying. Until the person say, yes, it's true. All right, God bless you.